SVR.
The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Schuylkill County in central Pennsylvania, southern Northumberland County in central Pennsylvania, Dauphin County in south central Pennsylvania, northeastern Uniata County in central Pennsylvania, southeastern Columbia County in central Pennsylvania, northern Cumberland County in south central Pennsylvania, Perry County in south central Pennsylvania, Lebanon County in south central Pennsylvania, until 8 p.m. At 7 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Miserville to Plainfield, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Harrisburg, Lebanon, Carlisle, Lower Allen, Pottsville, Hershey, Berwick, Mechanicsburg, Camp Hill, Shamokin, Palmyra, New Cumberland, Temecula, Lingelstown, Enola, Schuylkill Haven, Shenandoah, Lemoyne, Myerstown, and St. Clair. For those driving on Interstate 80, this includes areas between the Mifflinville and Muskoka exits, specifically from mile markers 244 to 247. This includes the following interstates: the Pennsylvania Turnpike from mile markers 208 to 231. Interstate 78 from mile markers 0 to 8. Interstate 81 from mile markers 49 to 139. Interstate 83 from mile markers 41 to 50. Interstate 283 near mile marker 2. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania, Lebanon, and Schuylkill. Here is